Tesla stocks are fluctuating all the time, and this is why I chose to buy. Hey guys, Blake here from Go Big Tesla. Now I purchased one stock, last week because that's what I could afford. And I want to tell you about this app called Robinhood that made it really simple and easy for me to trade and to buy that stock. Now I've wanted to invest in Tesla for a while. You guys have probably, if you've been following my Twitter, have seen that I've been tweeting about it, talking about it, and just hadn't really pulled the trigger. And so finally I downloaded Robin's, got my account set up, Robinhood, and got my account all set up. And this last week, I chose to purchase a share of Tesla. I was only able to afford one because they were expensive, over $200 a trade. But I wanted to be invested in this company, and I want to be able to move forward with this company and see the growth that happens. Even though it's only one trade and it's not going to make me a lot of money, I wanted to show that I was committed to this company. So I actually made my purchase last Friday was when I placed it, but I realized that I placed it after hours. So my share didn't get bought until fully a week later on Monday when it finally went through. And it ended up costing about $10 more from that over the weekend. It had gone up, and I obviously hadn't bought it Friday, so I had to buy it on Monday. But I'm happy to say that I bought a share of Tesla, and I'm a very proud shareholder of Tesla. So I decided to use Robinhood to invest. This app is very easy, and it was designed for millennials to help get them started in investing early in the younger generation. Now, it's really simple. There's no fees, no transaction fees, none of that. It's all basically you put your money in and you can trade and buy whatever you want. And then there's no fees associated with purchasing or trading your trades. So for me, this was kind of ideal because I didn't want to be charged a fee, especially where I was only purchasing one stock. They call it an odd lot trade, and I didn't want to get feed for that. So I opted with Robinhood, and I'm going to show you exactly how I went through that. I'll walk you through the screen recording that I did while I purchased my first stock of Tesla. So I'm going to open the Robinhood app. It's really secure. It requires Face ID or Touch ID. It brings you to this launch screen where there's a bunch of different stocks that you can purchase and look at. I'm going to click on Tesla. As you can see, it's $223.53 right now, but I can check how it's done all day long and after hours as well. It also shows today's volume. There's a stats section, there's some news, and then also there's the analyst ratings and earnings for the quarters. So I'm going to click on buy, and I'm going to type in 1 so I can purchase one share of Tesla. Click review. You are placing a good for day market order to buy one share of Tesla. Your order will be placed after the market opens and executed at the best available price. So we're going to swipe up and we're going to order received. Awesome. Ooh, the confetti. My Tesla order is pending. Your market order placed at 4:12 p.m. on June 28, 2019 will be sent and start at the next trading session. Woo! So that's it. I'm a Tesla shareholder, and I'm super excited. I only own one share. I'm just a little guy, but I love it. I got a comment on Twitter about it that said, well, you're not really living up to your name, Go Big Tesla, with only one share. And I was like, I know, but listen, I got big dreams, okay? And so anyways, like I mentioned, I am so excited to be a shareholder of Tesla, and I'm so excited because I bought at the perfect time last week. The stocks were down a little bit. There was a lot of FUD, which I'll talk about in my next video, what FUD means and those things. But there was a lot of FUD going around, and it had kind of prevented me from buying for a while. And if you follow me on Twitter, you know that because I've been talking about it for a little bit, and I was so worried about buying. But then I just decided to do it last week, and I went for it, and I'm so happy because Q2 earnings came out, and I believed in Elon, and I believed in Tesla, and they did it. They succeeded. They smashed the record. They delivered 95,200 vehicles last quarter. What an amazing feat. What an amazing job, Tesla. There's momentum going forward. You have so much support from people like me and the Tesla community, and we're excited to see where this goes, and I'm excited to be along with the journey of Tesla as I journey to the Tesla. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much for subscribing and watching my channel. Please consider, liking this video, commenting down below if you're pumped that I bought a stock, that I bought a share. You guys are awesome, and I'll see you guys next week.